Hey guys, so today I decided to clean my flat. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation, this video is for you.
Some days there's no one else.
What you currently see is my boyfriend who is changing the sheets because I hate doing that.
Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never.
And this is the current state of our bedroom. It's definitely not that bad, but it needs a pick-me-up. So I'm just gonna start by removing the things that are on the floor and just tidying up each section.
All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
Meanwhile, I will also put a load in a washing machine so that it can be done at the same time while I clean.
I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on.
I put sheets and towels and other heavy fabrics like that on a drying cycle, as I don't really have space and I don't want to dry them indoor naturally. This is so much easier. If I don't clean as often, it's much harder, as I leave scattered around the flat these tiny little objects that are so hard to put back afterwards. So I'm trying my best to clean regularly to not get to this stage. And this is how the bedroom looks afterwards. Much cleaner, looks fresh, looks not cluttered at all, and it's just a nice place to come in at the end of the day and not have to look at all that mess.
Wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, we're toe to toe, we're always.
And now I'm gonna go to the living room. This usually is not that bad, as I clean it more regularly since I spend more time in it. I just need to hoover, mop the floors, clean some surfaces and move some stuff around so that it looks less cluttered.
Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cuts. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can.
with washing the dishes which have accumulated for the past few days, but definitely the best part of cleaning your flat is the morning after, where you're coming into a new fresh space that looks so clean, and you just hope that you're gonna keep it this way.
And you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty.